Hey, Blue group, this is Blue Sort 10. So you have two main patterns, but we are going to look at base words and then patterns. So go ahead and grab four different colors, and I'm going to start with my first color. And these base words that we're going to start with are going to be base words that we just have to add ty. So all of your words are going to add a suffix. Remember, suffix is at the end of a word. So we're going to only work on the base words this time that are going to add ty. So go ahead and work base words. I'm going to start with one color, and I'm going to circle the word safe with that one. I'm going to go ahead and circle, let's see, novel. So novel could be the name of a book, or novel could also mean it's describing something, like something is interesting. That's a novel piece of jewelry, like an interesting piece. We have, let's see, certain down here. Certain, if something is certain, then it is for sure, or pretty for sure. Royal up here, royal. It's like a king. Casual, if something's casual, it's kind of like laid back. It's not too fancy. Let's see, what else do we have? Special up here, special. Let's circle special. That's a good one. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So we have 6 base words with what we're just going to add a ty. You'll understand what I mean in a second. Go ahead and switch colors. So now we have the base word safe. To make safe to safety, go ahead and do that. To make safe into safety, all you have to add is a ty at the end. To make special into specialty, all you have to add is a ty at the end. Special T. Royal. To make royal into royalty, just add a ty. To make casual into casualty, just add a ty. So casual means like laid back and, chill. Casualty usually means that something got hurt. Like, oh man, we had a casualty out at recess. Atharva got hurt, his foot hurt. That'd be a casualty, like something bad happened. So kind of interesting that those don't have the same meaning. Certain, we add a ty way down here at the bottom, and we have certainty. And I'm missing novel. Novel, and then we change it to novelty. Same meaning. Novel, something interesting. Hey, that's a novelty, something kind of cool, interesting. So I should have 6 because I had 6 base words that I just added ty. Go ahead and flip colors. We're going to do another set of base words. Now these base words, we can't just add ty. Now we have to change something, or maybe not, and add an ity. So these are a little bit trickier. Active is going to be one of them. Festive. Something's festive, like you are celebrating something. Tranquil. Tranquil means calm. Humid. Humid means there's a lot of moisture in the air, a lot of dampness in the air. So if it's humid outside, it feels kind of thick outside. Minor, something kind of little. It's not a big thing, like a major thing. And we have sensitive. If you're sensitive, that means that you might get hurt, or your feelings might get hurt. Or maybe you just have big feelings. Okay, let's, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Go ahead and flip your color. And now we're going to go to these base words, but now they're going to add ity. Be careful, because some of these you actually have to change. For example, our first one, active, you actually have to take the e off and then add ity. Festive is the same thing. You have to take the e off and then add ity to make festivity. Tranquil, you don't have to do anything. Just add the ity. Tranquility means I could sit in a moment of tranquility, like peace. Humidity, We've heard that word before. If something is humid, then there's a lot of humidity out. Sensitive, sensitivity, maybe your big emotions, or you have a lot of sensitivity, or it could be, like your teeth are hurting, they are sensitive. So there's sensitivity toothpaste to help with that. And the last one is minority. We talked about this when we were talking about voting. So the minority is the one that doesn't win because they have the smaller amount. The majority wins because they have the major amount, the bigger amount. Minority is the smaller amount. Okay, I need you to take a picture of these words and make sure that you study these words. Good luck.